You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So my dear friends, last time we bring the components and today we will start with the wiring. We will open our file from the Multi-Tech Education folder again. It is being saved last time. So let us proceed with the wiring after getting it opened. After wiring, we will proceed to the board file. So from here, we will proceed. Now this was what we were there last time. We drag these components from the library one by one. You must watch that video, how to bring these components on our working platform. We have to check grid. I told you about the grid must be there, and in grid in the upper portion you have to select 0.635. This is the pin, diodes we have to connect here. This will be the negative side output for our other components, and from here we will connect this. Output will be positive to our voltage regulator as per our drawing, full wave rectified drawing. Always keep it with you, check it time to time. You see, here is the diode. From diode, the positive, negative go to the afterward circuit, and put capacitors accordingly as shown in this diagram. This is photos PNG file. I save this drawing, and time to time just check it when you are working on PCB designing, so that in the similar way maximum we will try to keep the components, so that it will not create problem when we will make the board file, the PCB layout board file. So there it will be easy. So now we will select wire. From here, see the wire symbol. So with the practice you will come to know which symbol is for what. And I told you, make a picture of it, write down in front these symbols, what is the name of the symbol and what is the function of the symbol. And from the top we will select right angle. We can enlarge it from the top, zoom in, zoom out, fit in the window. All the symbols are there at the top. And this we will select the components D3, IN404. We can move them, we can rotate just by clicking right of the mouse or the laptop's right button. So you can select the component, move the components here and there. You can rotate it wherever you want to rotate by using the symbol for the move. Now this is the wire symbol. Now we will click on this. Now the wiring must be dot to dot. If you will leave it before, you will leave it, take it inside, there will be no connection. So in the PCB, there will be no connectivity and it can create a big problem. So you have to take care for these dots. You see, I am moving, but they are connected. If it was not connected, it will move independent. Wire will not move. You see, means both are being well connected. So always take care for these dots, that from where to where you have to connect it. Now see, select this dot, not go inside, not go outside, bring it there. Now see, it is not connected, means our diode is not in line as per the grid. From the grid we can check it that it lies in the same line. So we will move it little up. Now, but it is not connected. You see, it is moving freely. The wire is not moving with it. So we need to make this connection again. Now it has come dot to dot. So check it. So wire is moving with it. So they are well connected. When it comes in the line and the wire comes on the dot, it got automatically connected. So this is the way of wiring, you can say. So different symbols we will use afterwards. We can make firm connections with this dot by putting this dot. It's called node. So you have to select node from the symbol and just put it at the joints to give it a perfection of your circuit. Now again we can go to wiring. So it is so simple. Just now watch and do. It was not in line, so I keep it in line. So line will go straight. Our wiring will go straight, and didn't disturb the wiring, the previous wiring. So again we will make wiring. So like that. Bring it here. Don't go more inside. Yeah, it is straight. Now it is being connected. You can select it from the move symbol and check it. You see, both sides wires are moving with it, means they are well connected. So always make this check at the same time when you make wiring, so that you should not forget. If any wire will remain unconnected in the PCB, what will be manufactured after, there will be no continuity, no connection in between, and the person who will be working on that, he has to face a lot of problems to find out where connection is not there in the PCB. So just watch, my dear friend. It is the repetition. Enjoy the music and watch it. I selected the right angle symbol from the top, because now wiring will move to right up, so we will select the first symbol. You might have seen this highlighted at the top. You see, it is connected. Just click the things. You can move here, there. You get zoom out or fit in window. You can delete it from the side symbol by using side symbol of the bucket. So for practice, you do these things side by side. Remove your own wiring, selecting that bucket symbol for deleting. As the wiring I did wrong, so now I am taking it to the right place. So you need to check the circuit time to time of this full wave rectifier. Now it's okay. The pin number 2 will come to the opposite to it. If there is no connection, this node will not come here. If it is proper, then the node will come. Node will find its place for the connection. No, it is not being made perfectly. The node. Come back. So I am showing you these things. While practicing, you will make some mistakes. Come back. Go ahead. So, you know, there is a saying, practice makes a man perfect. I just learned it last 6 months only, and don't have so much practice, but even then I keep my learning fast. So in the same way you can learn. Nothing is impossible or difficult. See, at this age I am learning the things and teaching you also. I make practice within 15 days. I start making the PCB, different type of designs. I choose 3-4 circuits and make my practice. So in 1 month I was little bit perfect. Nobody is master. I am not master. Nobody is master in this world. Still there are a lot of things in this Eagle software to learn. For me also. At the moment I just learned that initially what we need to learn and how we can make a PCB, how we can order the PCB. But additionally there are a lot of things. You can bring images from the outside. You can do a lot of things in it. Gradually, slowly, when you will work professionally, you will come to know across so many new things in it. So just keep watching and see my cursor where it is moving, what it is selecting. Keep your paper of the symbol diagram and the function with you. Where my cursor goes, check in your drawing. I did like that. something I should leave it to you also. This is the negative, or you can say ground. Of course, ground and the negative both are the different things. But normally in PCBs, the negative side we used to make ground. Now you have to see, have you observed something? Our this voltage regulator is not in a proper position. We have to rotate it, otherwise it will not be workable. One pin is going upside, which is supposed to go to ground as per our full wave rectifier circuit, so it should come down. Now you watch, I will rotate it. I am also doing some mistake. I didn't observe. Now you see, I made the wiring, which I have to make it again. So like that you will also do the mistakes, or you will forget something. Now the above side pin, it should come down to connect to the ground wire, to the negative wire you can say. Now we have to mirror it, understand? We need to get it mirror. The in should come on the left side, ground should come down, out should go to the right side. So it was not connected also. From here, I need to find the symbol. We'll go to setting. I didn't find. Still I need to find. See, here comes the mirror in edit. So we will mirror it. And it is there in the symbols also, this mirror. Find from here is the mirror, see? So this is the practice. It needs practice. Now see, we mirror it. Everything is okay. In is coming left side, out is coming right side, ground is coming downwards. So now the connection will be proper. Just put it at the dot side, the connection will be there and ground will go to here. So these are the things. You should enjoy playing all these things. Don't make it as a burden. Any mistake, enjoy it, rectify it. That is called practice. Now we will set this all remaining components at the proper position, make connections. C1 is 1000 microfarad, C2 is 0.01 microfarad as per our full wave rectifier drawing. I made change little, I use 1000 microfarad instead of 470, so that if you want to get the voltage 9 volt, just you have to need to change the regulator. I choose 7805. So if I have chosen 7809, So output we will receive 9 volt. Nothing to be changed. Input can be 9 to 12 volt. This regulator will maintain it. Output it will give 5 volt, 9 volt, even 12 volt. Just change the regulator. Or when we will put the values of the regulator, that after wiring I will show you what is the value of C1. It should be on our screen that it is 1000 microfarad. How much is the value of resistance? So how to get it changed? And that is also very easy. Just select the component from the move symbol, right click and fill the value. What value is in our circuit? So watch, let us complete the wiring. This is the practice. As much as you will make practice of it, rest it is easy, not so difficult. So today we will complete all the wiring, and in our next part, so that we can move towards board file, PCB layout, as what you will get the PCB after manufacturing. You go to that place, because from the board file we used to make Gerber file to send it to the manufacturer. So we will make the board file after this schematic. Now see, the components are near about fitted. This one wire is left. So connection should be proper. Click it, move to right side, left side, sorry, connect the terminal. Thus where you have to take turn, just click it there and take it to other side. This is the fine work we need to make. We left this wiring. First we will complete this wiring also. We will take it to the ground. Below is our ground wire. At the top is the positive. We can check it, selecting by move button. Connections are okay. So check all the connections one by one, so that there will be no doubt. It is okay. You see, dancing. Yeah, this is okay. So like that, check each component, so that in the board file there will be no such problem. You see, it is also connected. Going with the wire. So we will come to know if there will be any mistake, the connection is not perfect. You see, it is okay. So this is the way. This is the self-checking of your work. your connections. And this is very, very important thing. Some people in overconfidence, they don't check and proceed. And sometimes the PCB comes without connection. Then you have to find a big headache to find from where our PCB is not connected. So better to check it before, well in time. So let us save it now. Our this wiring schematic is saved. Now we can change the name, like it is written JP1, we can write something else. So you will find plus point inside every component, and that is very useful thing, and that we will proceed in our next part. Start from here itself. Bye, gentlemen.